Bella. Look at my cat in heat. What the heck is this? She's so weird. She's so weird looking. When she's not in heat, she's the cutest little thing. But now she's in heat. She's weird. Watch this. Bella. Bella. Look at her. Look at her. Sticking her butt out. What is wrong with her? Bella. She's the cutest little animal. But I don't like her when she's in heat. I gotta get her fixed. If I don't get her fixed, I'm gonna be getting rid of her. Because she's so weird. Weird, weird, weird. Watch her twirl around. Is this how women act when they be horny? I don't understand this. But she's so cute though. But not. Look at that look. I don't like that look. That's weird.